In this video demonstration, we'll show you how to add new automobile listings to your website. First, you'll begin by clicking on the Automobile Listings tab in the left-hand navigation. What you'll see below is that there's already a set of vehicles. This could be an inventory of vehicles that you've previously added to your site. But you'll want to begin by hitting the Add New Listing button seen above. To add a new vehicle listing, you'll want to begin by giving it a title. So we'll begin by uploading a 2007 Toyota Tundra. Right. Then we'll want to navigate over to the manufacturer setting, click Toyota. And again, you can always add new manufacturers if you like. Click the Add New Manufacturer button. You enter in the manufacturer's name, and then you hit Add New Manufacturer, and it'll add it to the list above. We won't do that for the time being though. Instead, we'll go back to the publisher at the very top, and we'll show you how to add the gallery of images for a particular vehicle. Then you hit the Add an Image button, click Select Files, choose the files from your desktop or from your computer. I'm going to select these two pictures here, hit Open. Then you'll want to wait until these images upload into the media gallery. Once they've both uploaded, come here and hit Save All Changes. That'll add the two images that you see above here into the media gallery. And these are some of the gallery settings that you see below. You can leave these as they are by default. Last, hit Save All Changes. And then go ahead and close this out. We'll come back to our new vehicle listing, and then to test it out, we'll hit the Publish page. Allow that to reload. Then you can always view what you just published by hitting this View Listing button here. And as you can see, we've uploaded our new 2007 Toyota Tundra. And we have the beginning of some images to add to this vehicle listing as far as a collection of images for the gallery. You can always go back and add more images into that gallery using the exact same methods. So we'll close this page out for the time being, and we'll go back into the vehicle editor so that we can set the rest of the details for this particular vehicle. Okay. You'll scroll down and you'll start to see the remainder of the options for each individual vehicle. You can specify the engine size for it. You can specify, if you want to, a URL to a YouTube or Vimeo video link in case you have video of the vehicles in your inventory. You can also add thumbnail images which will show up in various portions of the website. Most of the time you don't need to use these features. You can also specify the transmission of the vehicle, and you can specify the price range as well. And as always, you can add new transmission types if needed, and you can always add new price ranges if needed. Then we'll head up to the simplified automobile name. This is basically a generic name that you can give to the vehicle. For example, a 2007 Toyota. You can select the primary manufacturer, which is the Toyota again, and the secondary manufacturer. This is optional, but since we listed it above, we'll specify that is a Tundra. And then you can select the vehicle body type, and again you can add a new body type if one does not currently exist. We'll select truck in this case. This is an important feature, the Include in Slideshow option. This is a slideshow that shows up on the home page of your site. what you see right here. By specifying this setting, you'll then add this vehicle to the home page. So we'll say yes for now. You can also specify the banner on the image. So if you want to let your users know that this has recently been reduced, it'll drop a banner across the primary vehicle image that says reduced on it, giving it a clear call to action. We'll give it the model year, the body type, again this is a truck, the price, we'll set this one at 17,500, mileage, in case you want to list that, say it has 65,000 miles, the engine size, again I believe we set that at a 3.2 liters. And then you'll want to select the mileage box over here as well, because again these categories are what feed the browse section on your website. So by entering in that data, users will be able to search for your vehicles in this browse function. Let's go back into the flow and finish this up really quickly. It's an automatic. Color is sky blue. A registration number, whatever that may be. Service history, say this has received full history and has documentation. The date of registration, 2007. Lastly, specify how many owners has it had. This vehicle has had one owner. Fuel type is gas. Any notable information you want to specify. For example, brand new tires, upgraded leather interior. Anything else you want to specify. Then we'll take that up to the top and we'll hit our update button. We'll let that refresh and then we'll go back to the view listings and we'll check out our brand new product. And you'll see that this is the simple title that we gave it, whereas this is the full product title that we originally started with. And these are all the details: the price, registration number, mileage, registration date, etc., etc. Lastly, we want to take a look at adding vehicle specifications below the vehicle image gallery. So you'll scroll down, and this is a particular section that we want to add content to. So what you'll do is you'll go back into your edit listing flow, and you'll use this content box up here. Be sure that the visual tab is listed before you start adding your content. If you want, you can add a simple description line. Then you can also bullet point some vehicle specifications. Make sure you click on the Unordered List button and start adding your attributes. Until you're satisfied with the number of attributes that you've added. Then you'll scroll over to the Update button, let that refresh, head back to our vehicle listing, reload the page, and then we'll scroll back down to see that we've now published all that content from the detail pane. And that's how you add the final section of content for each of your vehicle listings. In the future, you may want to add, edit, or update your vehicle listings. You can easily do that by going to the Automobile Listings section in your content management system. And here you'll see an inventory of all your vehicles. You can easily edit any of these vehicles, quickly dump it into the trash if it's no longer available, or add a new listing by clicking the button above. And that ends the demonstration on how to add, edit, and delete vehicles from your inventory. If you're interested in having Umpaweb build this website for you, send us an email at sales@umpaweb.com or hit the Buy Now button on our site. Thanks again for checking out Umpaweb.